All right, I just wanted to put together a real quick video for anybody who has questions about Jamboard, and I'll just show you what I know about it. If you're in a Google meeting already, you can do your share screen, and I think you pretty much have to share the window to get it to work right. So far, at least that's my computer, that's what's happening. But anyway, to get into Jamboard, you go up here to the little waffle, click. There's all sorts of stuff in here, and if you scroll down, in my case it's down here, Jamboard. And I'll do a new one here. About 6 months it'll load up. Okay, so neat thing with Jamboard for doing tutorials, and I do a lot of traditional tutoring as well in other schools. So one of the things that's really neat, and maybe you can put in your tutorials, is suppose you've got something like a math problem, and maybe you've got a couple different steps. So maybe it's like you've got to factor out, go over here. So there's tools over here. So you can, these are like pens you can use. For the most part, for working out things, pen's probably the easiest. You can erase things, you can select things, you can put in pictures, I think you can upload pictures here. We're not going to do that. But anyway, so one of the neat things you can do, suppose you've got some math problem and we want to go through multiple steps here. So maybe it's x squared minus 6x plus 9. And we've got to factor it, and they don't maybe know how to factor it, but they know their steps. Maybe the first step is pick out, well, first step, maybe write the equation. Second step, and I'm kind of going fast here, and I realize that. Maybe this one is find the factors of 9. So maybe that's their second step. So what they can do is you can change colors. So maybe you got 9, and you list out your factors, 1 and 9, 3 and 3. And then maybe your third step is find factors that add to -6. And so they can say, well, 1 -1 plus -9 doesn't equal -6, and but -3 plus -3 does equal -6. The idea is that as they're going through their steps, they can actually use different colors to highlight different pieces, and that is just another way to organize how this goes. I don't know whether students will do it. I know when I'm demonstrating it to students I'm traditionally tutoring in a couple other schools, it really helps because we do this problem, we do another problem, we do another problem, and they start to build up what the order of the steps is and being able to connect it with the colors. Obviously it doesn't work if you have a colorblind issue, but it's just another way to emphasize that. In that case, you could do things like underlining things and circling things and such. But I just wanted to show you that. That's what I've been using Jamboard for. So that's all I got.